Welcome to the Industrial Robot Training Room. The FANUC R2000 IC210F large-scale intelligent robot can be used in various applications. The robot, in order to ensure the personal safety of technicians in maintenance operations. Please wear safety helmets and safety clothes before entering the training area. Power on the controller and switch the controller mode. Pick up the controller teaching pendant and operate it to observe the movement of each axis. If the movement is smooth and without shaking, and there is no buzzing mechanical friction sound, it is considered normal movement.